let's change the battery. Not this side, this side. Open the key. This is the lid you want to remove. You can try to put your hands in there and just crack it open. It worked, but if it's the first time you're doing this, it might be quite hard. So I recommend like a flat surface of any kind and just put it in there and twist it a bit, and then you get it open. Then you need a small flathead screwdriver, and please be aware, once you kind of get it in there, the battery will fly out. So maybe hold like a little finger, boom, see there? And it's out. We change the battery. Plus side up, the one with the text facing you, and just put it in there, press it, you're done. Put the lid back on, and then press a button to see that the lamp or the indicator is going red. Yes, you're done.